ago, all the zebras had eyes in front of their heads. A female zebra always praised herself. I am so beautiful. Look at my lovely stripes and tail. However, her favorite thing to boast about was her eyes. Aren't my eyes so perfectly placed in the front of my head? She said. All the animals would whisper behind her. She always brags, vain creature. Soon they became so annoyed that they started planning to play a trick on her. One day, when the zebra walked past the jackal, she said, Are my eyes not the most beautiful you have ever seen? Yes, replied the jackal cunningly. Suddenly, he pounced on her and she fell very hard on her face. This forced her eyes to the side of her head. When the zebra saw her reflection in a stream nearby, she was angry at the jackal. She turned around to punish him, but the jackal was gone. The bald vulture. Once a vulture noticed that his feathers were falling off. When he asked other birds, they said, You are losing feathers. Don't worry, new feathers would grow soon. However, the vulture was very upset. Soon he became thin and sickly with worry about his feathers. The other birds pitied him, and each of them gave him a feather to stick on his body. When all the birds had given him their feathers, the vulture became a beautiful bird with the feathers of all colors. He then became very arrogant. Showing off his borrowed feathers, he declared that he was the most beautiful of all the birds. He became so proud that he asked the birds to recognize him as their king. The angry birds pecked off the feathers that they had given him and took them away. That is why, even to the present day, the vulture is a grim, ugly, and bald bird. The Fly and the Buffalo. Once, the queen of the forest invited her subjects to a grand feast. She had arranged for 4 large tables and said, The wild buffalo, the elephant, the hippopotamus, and the rhinoceros will head each of the tables. They will, in turn, share the food with the smaller animals. At the buffalo's table, there was a small fly. The buffalo shared the first course of food among the other animals but forgot the fly. So the fly shouted, You have not given me my share. The buffalo ignored him. During the second course, the fly called out again, but the buffalo pointed at his eyes and said, Look here, you will get your food later. When the fly complained, the queen of the forest said, It is indeed the buffalo's mistake for not giving food to the fly. In future, the fly can get food from the buffalo's eyes as he pointed at them. Therefore, flies are always seen around a buffalo's eyes. The Hasty Hunter. A hunter came to a forest and saw a fox sleeping on the top of a big rock. The hunter thought, If I kill that fox and sell the skin, I'll make a fortune. Then, taking a heavy stone in his fist, the hunter thought, With that money, I shall buy some seeds and I shall sow the seeds in my father's cornfield at home. People passing by my field of corn will say, Oh, what great corn that hunter has. Then I shall say to them, Keep away from my corn. But they won't listen to me. Then I shall shout again, Stay away from my corn. But still they won't take any notice of me. Then I shall scream with all my might, "Keep away from my corn!" And then they'll listen. And the hunter screamed so loudly that the fox woke up and ran away. The hunter regretted his hasty behavior and went home empty-handed.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.